7 Rules of Money. Ever wonder why some people seem to have the Midas touch with money? Rumor has it, many of the world's wealthiest individuals don't just have fat wallets. They share a set of unwritten rules steering their financial trajectory upwards. Hey there, it's not just about clocking dollars. It's about understanding, strategizing, and playing the long game. Today, we're diving deep into the vault of financial wisdom, unpacking the 7 transformative rules of money. This isn't just another finance talk. This is your roadmap to viewing wealth in a completely new light. Stick around, because we're about to embark on a journey that unveils secrets some have taken decades to uncover. Are you ready to change your financial future? Rule 1. Live within your means. Understanding your expenses. Living within your means starts with understanding where your money is going. Creating a budget that outlines your monthly income and expenses can provide clarity. Differentiating between needs and wants is vital here. Prioritize necessities such as housing, food, and bills, and minimize non-essential spending. Avoiding debt traps. Accumulating debt through credit cards or loans without a clear repayment plan can lead to financial instability. Interest accumulates quickly, and unpaid debt can lead to serious financial consequences. Living within your means entails avoiding unnecessary debt and making informed financial decisions. Building an emergency fund. Having a financial cushion can help you navigate unexpected expenses without going into debt. An emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses can provide peace of mind and financial security. Investing in the future. Living within your means is not just about spending less, it's about spending wisely. Investing in your education, retirement, or other long-term goals can lead to financial growth and stability. Rule 2. Save and invest regularly. The importance of saving. Saving is more than just putting money aside. It's about planning for the future. Regular saving can help you achieve both short-term and long-term goals, providing a foundation for financial independence. Investment strategies. Investing can be an essential tool for growing your wealth. Understanding different investment vehicles, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, allows you to make informed decisions aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Compound interest. The power of compound interest cannot be overstated. Investing early and regularly can lead to significant growth over time. Even small contributions can accumulate into substantial wealth through the magic of compounding. Professional guidance. Utilizing financial advisors or investment platforms can offer guidance tailored to your unique financial situation. Professional assistance can help you navigate the complexities of the investment world and develop a personalized investment strategy. Rule 3. Maximize your income. Leverage your skills. Identifying and leveraging your unique skills and talents can lead to higher earning potential. Investing in continuous learning and professional development can open doors to better job opportunities and career growth. Side hustles and passive income. Exploring additional income streams, such as side hustles or passive income, can increase financial stability. Whether it's freelancing, creating digital products, or investing in dividend-paying stocks, these strategies can complement your primary income source. Negotiation and career growth. Don't underestimate the power of negotiation. Whether negotiating a salary, a promotion, or a new job offer, being proactive and assertive can lead to higher compensation. Tax planning. Effective tax planning can maximize your income by ensuring that you take advantage of all available deductions and credits. Consulting with a tax professional can help you navigate tax laws and make informed decisions. Rule 4. Be financially literate. Educate yourself. Financial literacy is the foundation of sound financial management. Understanding basic financial concepts like budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management empowers you to make informed decisions. Stay informed. Keeping up with economic trends, changes in state laws, and developments in the financial market can impact your financial strategies. Staying informed enables you to adapt and make necessary adjustments. Utilize financial tools. Today's technology offers various tools and apps that can help you manage your finances more efficiently. From from budgeting apps to investment platforms, leveraging these tools can simplify financial planning. Avoid financial scams. Financial literacy also involves recognizing and avoiding scams and fraud. Understanding common tactics used by scammers and knowing how to protect yourself can save you from significant financial loss. Rule 5. Build and maintain good credit. Understand your credit score. Your credit score is a critical factor in your financial life. It affects everything from loan approval to interest rates. Understanding what affects your credit score and actively managing it can lead to better financial opportunities. Pay bills on time. Consistently paying bills on time is one of the most effective ways to maintain a healthy credit score. Even small late payments can have a negative impact, so it's essential to manage your obligations responsibly. Manage credit utilization. Credit utilization refers to the percentage of your available credit that you're using. Keeping this ratio low by paying off balances and not maxing out credit cards can positively influence your credit score. Monitor your credit regularly. Regular monitoring allows you to catch any inaccuracies or fraudulent activities early. Many services offer free credit monitoring and provide insights into factors affecting your credit score. Rule 6. Plan for the long term. Set clear goals. Long-term financial planning begins with clear and defined goals. Whether it's buying a home, planning for retirement, or funding a child's education, understanding what you want to achieve shapes your financial strategies. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement is a multifaceted process that requires thoughtful consideration. Contributing to retirement accounts, understanding Social Security benefits, and aligning your investments with your retirement goals can ensure financial comfort in later years. Estate planning. Estate planning is not just for the wealthy. Creating a will, establishing a power of attorney, and other legal documents ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and minimizes potential conflicts. Risk management. Protecting against potential financial risks is an essential part of long-term planning. Proper insurance coverage for health, life, property, and other potential liabilities safeguards you against unforeseen financial setbacks. Rule 7. Cultivate a healthy relationship with money. Develop a positive money mindset. Your beliefs and attitudes towards money can significantly influence your financial decisions. Cultivating a positive money mindset promotes healthy financial behaviors and decision-making. Balance needs and desires. Striking a balance between needs and wants is essential for financial well-being. Understanding what truly matters to you and aligning your spending with those values leads to more fulfilling financial choices. Seek professional help if needed. If money management becomes overwhelming, seeking professional financial counseling can provide personalized strategies and emotional support. Professionals can help you navigate complex financial situations and develop a path forward. Emphasize what truly matters. Money is a tool, not an end goal. Focusing on what truly matters in life, such as relationships, personal growth, and well-being, put money in its proper perspective. Managing it wisely enables you to live a more fulfilling and enriched life. Jeff Bezos reflects on his journey towards success and offers insights into the importance of following one's passions, making choices, and embracing adversity. He recalls a conversation with his boss when he shared his idea of starting an online bookstore, which eventually led to Amazon's creation. Bezos emphasizes the distinction between having a job, a career, and a calling, encouraging the pursuit of a true calling. He shares his early encounters with skepticism and doubt, including the incredulity of his goal to become the world's richest person through his online bookstore. He stresses the significance of pursuing one's passions and being persistent. He recounts his own decision to venture into the unknown and follow his passion, even in the face of uncertainty. Bezos also talks about his childhood as an inventor and the influence of his family's encouragement to pursue his passion. He shares the military phrase, "slow is smooth and smooth is fast," as a principle that has guided his progress. The transcript ends with Bezos discussing the value of choices over gifts and the importance of choosing a life of service and adventure. Understanding and following the 7 rules of money is integral for financial well-being and success. They guide us in our journey toward financial freedom and enable us to make informed, deliberate choices that benefit our current and future selves. By internalizing these rules and implementing them in our daily lives, we set ourselves up for a future of prosperity and peace of mind. That concludes our comprehensive guide on these 7 rules of money. Remember, the journey towards financial success is an ongoing one. But with the right knowledge and strategies, it's a journey worth taking.